Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Chris. I'm the English teacher on Learn British English Free on YouTube and the British English page on Facebook. This is a very British lesson about a very British expression. I beg your pardon. My student and friend Laura from Colombia mentioned this to me on Facebook the other day. About what is the meaning of I beg your pardon for British people. I understand it's used mostly in Britain, so I want to explain this today. I beg your pardon, or more strongly, I do beg your pardon. We use it in multiple situations. It can be like sorry, if you don't understand something, or you need someone to repeat something, to say it more slowly perhaps. I beg your pardon? With the question tone rising at the end. I beg your pardon? Like that. So in this way we would use the weaker form, not I do beg your pardon. However, what about when someone says something rude, especially a child says something rude and the mother hears it? She might say, I beg your pardon? Like that. Maybe stronger. I beg your pardon? As like a warning or even a scolding perhaps. We can use it as an apology. Maybe like excuse me or sorry, you are walking down the street, you bump into someone, I beg your pardon. Or if it's something bad, I do beg your pardon. And what about the pronunciation? When I'm saying each word strongly, I beg your pardon, but when we say it in the normal way, I beg your pardon, your sounds like y. This is the pronunciation secret. I beg your pardon, I do beg your pardon. There we go. Many uses of this phrase. I hope that you find it interesting and it might help you communicate with British people more. Have you heard I beg your pardon before? Okay, thank you. My name is Chris. Thanks to Laura for mentioning this. I decided to make a video about it to explain it to more students. This is on Learn British English Free on YouTube, the British English page on Facebook, Learn British English on Instagram. The website is www.learnbritishenglish.co.uk. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.